ZYRA Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. First time setup, registering your administrator. 1. Wake the screen and access settings. Tap the settings icon on the display. Step 2. Enter default password. Default password 123456. Then press hash for confirm. Add administrator. Select user management. Then access add user. Switch on the administrator button on the screen. Choose the designation for the new user. Administrator password. Tap the add on the right of password. Create your 6 to 12 digit password and confirm. Fingerprint registration. Tap the add on the right of fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint reader. Step 3. Face recognition. Tap the add on the right of face to add facial data. Position yourself directly in front of the camera. The screen and voice will prompt addition successful. Register IC card. Tap on add on the right of card. Hold the key card close to the NFC identification area. Palm vein recognition. Tap the add on the right of palm vein. Place your palm directly in front of the camera. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add user, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. To add user, after accessing the settings menu again. To add user, repeat the same process as registering the admin, but switch off the administrator button on the screen. To delete users, access settings. Select user management. Choose the user you wish to delete. Click delete icon to remove all information registered by the user. Return to the user list and click the delete button on the right side to remove the user. Device network connection. Now let's get this lock connected to your phone, because this is where things get really powerful. Remote unlocking, activity logs, push notification, the whole smart home experience. Step 1. Getting into the app. Download the Zeone app and log into the app. Add the lock. Enter the details asked on the screen and submit. Choose the lock from the given list. Choose the connection method and continue. Once submitted, the app will start searching for the lock pairing. Prepare the lock. Access settings. Select network settings. Then choose network pairing. The lock will start pairing. You're connected. Congratulations, you're connected.